Did you know that the xTool F1 is one of the most versatile lasers on the market right now? This thing is a little beast of a machine. It has 2 lasers inside. It has a diode laser and an infrared laser. And the coolest feature, in my opinion, is this removable base plate from the laser itself, which means is you can laser anything you want. I just got a new workbench, and so I think we need to engrave my logo into that bench. All right, so we have our laser in place here, and we need to make sure these 2 dots are overlapping. So let's bring the laser head down. All right, that looks good and in focus. And so now we can frame it out and see where we're at. All right, so I do have it in this lower corner because that is where I want it. I don't want it overly big. You know what? Let's actually make it a little bit bigger. I think that looks pretty good. So let's hope I don't regret it. So for this, we're going to use the blue light. We're going to do 100 power, 150 speed, 1 pass with 140 lines per centimeter. And we can also change the framing to the outline view to see if we like that any better. When you're using a blue light laser, make sure that you have safety goggles on because nothing is more important than your eyesight, and just make sure you're always doing safety first. Let's stop the framing. You can hit process and then let's hit start. Well, that looks so incredibly cool. So now let's just clean it up real quick. Since this is a pre-finished wood top, it should clean up very nicely. This came out looking so good. I highly recommend you give this a try if you have the xTool F1. So do you agree with me that this thing is pretty cool? Let me know down below if you don't agree or if you do, and I'll have everything listed down below so you can do the same project. And if you're looking for more xTool F1 content, check out my 101 series to help get you started. I do think this is the perfect laser for beginners. Now I'm very curious what other surfaces I can engrave. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.